third demo. So we're back to our VMware environment, and here, what I've got is I've got 100 VDI desktops sitting on 2 different VMFS volumes. And we see lots of customers who love all-flash arrays, love metadata-based arrays for VDI, right? Dedupe, compression, efficiency, all we want. But they almost always underestimate exactly how much I/O they need for each of those desktops before they put them into production. And so we see lots of VDI implementations fail because either they couldn't make the finances work because they had to over-provision to prepare for this, or the performance isn't there after they do the implementation. So in this case, what we've got is a customer, a theoretical customer, who's putting a test dev VDI environment into production. And rather than go through and have to storage vMotion everything to a different tier of storage, add more volumes, distribute it across more LUNs, I'm going to go back to my trusty PowerShell script. I'm going to apply a policy that we created specifically for our default VDI instances. I'm going to migrate those VDI instances into a VVol storage container. I'm going to remediate that so that we put the QoS on place, and I'm going to check compliance.
It's a lot of words.
It's a lot of words. You know what it took? It took hitting enter on the PowerShell script.
Well, it took waiting.
Well, but that's what Josh is
Josh
for.
does.
I just hit enter. The rest of it's magic. So what we've got is we created all of these volumes, right? For every VDI instance, we created the virtual volumes on the back end. We created those on the SolidFire storage array. We put them into the storage container that was relevant to this installation. We set the QoS and we checked the compliance. And we can see the 150, 300, 1,000 burst diops that we put on each of those VDI volumes. The important part here is, how about 100? It's just as easy as the first one. Right? It's simply a matter of how many VMs did we filter as part of that PowerShell script on the front end. But the process, the putting things in, moving things around, and applying QoS, those are programmatic constructs. That's the reason that the architecture is built the way it is. If we can scale that easily from 1 VM to 100 VMs to 1,000 VMs, now we're really starting to take advantage of some of that policy-based management that we're taking from VMware and trying to provide out to customers. All right. The next one.